Question 21. In this question, we are given S as summation of 1 plus 1 over 2 square plus 1 over 3 square plus 1 over 4 square. I'm writing the whole question because we will have to estimate the value of S. And these are all the options given. That what is the approximate value of S, or which of the following is true, that is asked. Okay. So this is a question of estimation, and whenever we are estimating something, we can just put an approximate value of we can replace some number with another number, okay, while estimating. Okay, so let us keep 1 as 1 itself, and I will be making groups like this: 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square, and second group will be 1 by 4 square till 1 by 7 square, and the third group will be this one. What I want to do is I will tell you the reason why I made this groups only. Okay, so out of 1 by 2 square and 1 by 3 square, which one will be greater? Of course 1 by 2 square. So we will take the greatest value for both of them. So 1 by 2 square is definitely greater than 1 by 3 square. So we can just get an estimation. Okay, now here similarly, out of these four values, 1 by 4 square, 1 by 5 square, 1 by 6 square, and 1 by 7 square, which one is the greatest? 1 by 4 square. Okay, so you might have got the concept behind it, that you might have got the trick behind it. What I am doing is I am breaking it at the powers of 2. Okay, so 2 power 1 is 2, 2 power 2 is 4, and 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, so I broke it at powers of 2. 1 by, I can again replace 1 by 5 square with 1 by 4 square, because 1 by 4 square will definitely be greater than 1 by 5 square. Similarly, 1 by 4 square will be definitely greater than 1 by 6 square, and 1 by 7 square too. So this all can be, so these are the maximum values that it can reach. Okay, so we will check with the maximum values whether it is falling in this any of this limit or not. You will see what will happen. Okay, so, and here 1 by 8 square is similarly greater than 1 by 9 square and 1 by 10 square. So I will replace it with 1 by 8 square only. So what will it be? S is equals to 1 plus this 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, which will be 2 by 2 square. And here it will be 4 by 4 square. Plus here it will be 3 by 8 square, which is again equals to 1 plus 2 by 2 square is 1 by 2, plus 4 by 4 square is 1 by 4, and 3 by 8 square is 3 by 64. So let us add all of this. Okay, so S is equals to 1 by 1 plus half will be 3 by 2, and 3 by 2 plus 1 by 4 will be approximately 7 by 7 by 4, of course. Yeah, 7 by 4, because 3 by 2 will become 6 by 4, and 6 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 7 by 4, plus 3 by 64. Okay, so 16 fours are 64, and so we will have to find out the value. And what will it be? 7 by this plus this. If we don't want to calculate, we can figure this out. How? 16 into 7, which is how much? Plus 3 divided by 64. So it will be some value definitely lesser than 2. It will be some value definitely lesser than 2. So what happened? We added in each group, we added the maximum value. Still we got this value lesser than 2. Let me tell you the exact value of this. This will be 112 plus 3, which will be 115 over 64, which is approximately equals to 1.8. So this approximate value is also lesser than 2. So if instead of 1 by 2 square, instead of here 1 by 4 square, 1 by 4 square, and 1 by 4 square, if I would have kept the original value, which is smaller than this, and smaller than this, similarly these two values if smaller than this, then our answer would have been again smaller. It would fall in the range somewhere around 1 by 4 to 1 by 6, somewhere around this. So, but by taking the maximum value also, if we are getting it less than 2, then by taking the original values, which means by not estimating, if we add it on in the calculator, then it will definitely be lesser than 2. So S has to be lesser than 2. It won't cross 2 anyhow. So our correct answer will be option E. I hope that is clear.